Hello everyone, welcome back to Love. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this super cute flower. You can use it for hair clips, blankets, bags, pretty much for anything. So let's get started. So I'm using knitting yarn, you can use any you have, and crochet hook is 3.0 mm. So first we will start by making a slip knot. Make a knot like this. Now insert your hook into this loop and make it tight. And now we will work 55 chains, and if I'm saying 55 chains, you have to do 55 chains. We cannot go with 45 chains or 65 chains. So let's complete 55 chains. And my 55 chain foundation chain is ready. Now we will work on our row first. So first skip this very first chain and into next chain work 1 half double crochet. Yarn over your hook. Insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. And like this, we will work half double crochet in each of this chain. So let's complete till the end. And our row 1 with half double crochet in each of the stitch is complete. And now we will work on our row 2. So let's do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now turn your work and into the very next gap. Right here we will work 1 treble crochet. Yarn over your hook twice. Now insert your hook into this gap. Pull up a loop, yarn over. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through middle 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. And then again chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now into this chain 3 and treble crochet gap right here, we will work 1 single crochet. Pull through 2. So this is our first petal. Now again for the next petal, treble crochet, yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. And pull through 2. Then again chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And now single crochet into this gap. Our second petal is ready. And again for the next stitch we will work 1 treble crochet and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1 single crochet into this gap. So like this we will complete till the end. And this is how your petals are supposed to look like. Let's complete till the end. So all the petals are complete. Now into last stitch we will work 1 single crochet. So insert your hook into these 2 loops, 1 and 2. Now work 1 single crochet, chain 1 and pull a long loop, because this loop will help us to sew the petals. After long loop, cut off the yarn and pull the rest. Now make it tight. And now you need to check which side is the right and which is the wrong. This is right side and this is wrong side. And we will keep the wrong side facing us and then try to roll it over. And we will fold it in this way to make space for all the petals. So slowly roll it. After rolling it perfectly, and now we will sew this end part. So we had kept this tail a little longer. Now with the help of the needle, we will sew all the sides. Here I am using my needle. And I will sew it it from the center to the outside. Like this, just follow step by step the way I'm doing. And you need to make sure that you are not missing any row. Like this, let's attach all the sides. And our flower is almost complete. We have these two tails. Let's make 2 knots to secure it. And our cute crochet flower is ready. If you like this tutorial, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up if this was helpful, and let me know what you want to learn next. Maybe a leaf to go with it or a whole flower bouquet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!